Here we are with Madina Kasha again. Be yourself, the founder, the CEO. And today, she's here. I know to gamba some of where did Be Yourself come from, because she's the CEO. So she's here, Madina.
At first, I'm going to explain the word be yourself. Be yourself, it's like a self-esteem thing. Like
self-esteem.
About self-esteem, like about imbanchogede mu Luganda chiberanga. Nga oyina love yo mundanga go within you. You have that love.
Most people jebaita self-love.
Self-love, whereby any negative person wajira joli nga chibera chizibo ku destroying.
Wow.
That's why I came up with something called Be Yourself. Me, when I was young, they used to tell me that I'm not worthy, I'm nothing, what and what. So one day I sat down and I was like, what can I do or improving the self-esteem?
Yeah.
What I did is to come up with something called Be Yourself, because I wanted to inspire the fellow youth. I wanted to inspire them to be themselves, and they needed self-love. Everyone needs self-love, and you have it, I'm sure. Yeah,
I have. If we talk about self-love, what things that show that you're in self-love as in you?
As in me, I'm someone who doesn't mind anyone's business. I mind my business.
Anyone's business.
I mind my business.
Oh.
For example, for me, I have my plan. For example, I'm going to give you an example on dressing codes.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say that I'm too stylish, but I'm a stylish person.
Wow.
Whereby Monday up to Wednesday, I put on office wears.
You?
Myself.
Putting on office wears?
Office wears with heels.
What? I can't imagine that, guys.
Yeah, you can't believe it. Yeah. Office wears.
Because me, I'm used to see you.
I think you find me on Thursdays, Fridays, and those weekend mood.
So you
like
are
today.
Another person during the week.
Yeah, I'm someone who wants to make myself happy, because some people complain about my dressing code. They say, you look good, I think you should stay in this and this. But
so where exactly do people complain that this is good, this is bad? Okay, let me just start. Why is it they tell you which dressing code that they tell you this is bad?
This is bad. For example, on my weekends, I'm so crazy by that.
Like
like this.
Because why? But I see it's okay. You dressed
on your side, it's okay. On your side, it's okay. But if you find one in office wears, you just have to say, Madina, stay in that office wear, you know?
What?
Yeah, it really look good when in office wears.
Wow.
So I have that self-esteem whereby no one can decide for me. I can decide for myself. Even if you come to me and tell me, Madina, here you're not good, here you're good. As long as I feel it in my heart that I'm good. Because whenever I get out of my house, when I'm getting out of my house, I put on my makeup. I dress up well, I do my perfume, everything. So I get out confidently knowing that within myself, I'm okay. So for you, even if you come out of blue and you tell me that Madina, you're not good here, that self-esteem I have within me, it protects me from getting your negative energy.
How long do you take, like, in a mirror, standing? Do you stand and maybe you look at yourself, or you just go do your makeup? After your makeup, you just disappear?
The first thing I did on myself, I always do at myself, I have to first look into the mirror. I look at my size. I know that if I put on this cloth, I'm going to be looking like this. When I put on this makeup, I'm going to be looking like this. When I put on this heel or a canvas, I'm going to look like this. So I think I can spend like 30 minutes in a mirror.
So who is that Madina in the mirror? I want to see that Madina in the mirror. When you see yourself, as in you yourself, watching yourself in the mirror, you see yourself in the mirror. What do you think? What do you see in yourself in the mirror?
Whenever I look myself,
because sometimes people can tell you who you are, but you can tell yourself
who I am
through the mirror.
Through the mirror, I just tell myself that I'm someone who's going forward. I'm someone who's willing to do something better. Like I don't know how to explain it. It's like, have you ever been in a situation whereby you know that anytime we're gonna chukua
Anytime you're kicking the door out.
Anytime. Whatever they can go, you're going far.
Yeah.
Madina, you can't do it. Everyone has dreams.
Yeah.
I also have my dreams.
Yes, so you do.
Of course, everyone has to be with dreams.
Ah. Guys, do you have dreams out there?
But I'm sure I think I have them.
Are you sure? You have dreams?
Of course.
Kasha.
I have dreams. I have dreams.
Hey, which part of dreams? Okay. Now, where exactly are you dreaming from?
My dream is to become a public speaker. I want to be speaking in public, showing people the right thing, telling them that you can do it even if you're passing through these challenges, even if you like this. Like, it doesn't matter how you look, how you grew up. What we need is your success.
So this is it a motivation, something?
Public speech is sometimes, some people they can just, it's different by the way. You can be a public speaker when you're not inspiring people. But me, I like inspiring people. I love seeing people happy. I love seeing successful people.
Okay, what are those things that you do to inspire people? Because everyone has something that they do to inspire some people.
At first, I do it on myself. At first, numerous times, if you want to do something, if you want something good, you have to be good first. Then you make others good.
What is good now? Being good. What do you mean by you being good?
What I first did is to fight fear from my heart.
Fear.
To create confidence within me.
Confidence.
Whereby, when I come to someone who's not having confidence, I can get that confidence I have, then I share it with them.
So, when we talk about confidence, what do you mean confidence?
Confidence, it's kind of believing in yourself. It's kind of, it's hard to explain, but it's something you feel in your heart. It's something you feel in yourself, and you say that I'm confident here. Like something you're sure of.
You're sure?
You say that I'm sure here I can do this.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, about that confidence, does it mean that when I have something to do and let me say I fear people, that's the confidence you're talking about, that I should come out and speak?
No.
Or come out do something when you are in fear, because you spoke about fear also in the confidence. You see, you said there's fear so that you just gain that confidence to come out.
Most times, ekintu ekisinga okutandinga down abantu. Era ekisinga okutiisa abantu, and ekisinga okutandinga off omuntu. Nga talina that confidence. Nga ina fear. Fear ejiraba. Fear etta buli kimu, I'm telling you. Buli kimu, you can dress up well. No labanga you okay. Yeah? Because you have that fear. Chinza nokuletera obuzibu to get what you would have got.
Thank you, Madina. Guys, don't forget, this is MBC Africa with Easy Likes OnFocus show. Today I'm here with Madina Kasha, the founder of Be Yourself.
Yeah.
Be yourself. I say be yourself. So guys, don't be out there fearing, you don't have confidence. She spoke about confidence, self-love. Love yourself. No one will love you.
For sure.
Before you love yourself.
For sure. Like, I feel like I want to tell them again.
You just, okay, let me give you only some few minutes so that you can tell them. Let that of confidence stick in their heads.
You guys, I'm telling you this. You need to love yourself. Because no one is gonna love you the way you love yourself. I'm telling you, Tawali. No one. Where you're getting, love yourself first. Even if you're in love with someone, first love yourself. So that of love within you. Instead of there is someone, I have a friend of mine. Okusinga himself. The guy wanted to kill himself.
What?
Namanyi lwaki ekyo kyabaawo because yali talina self love yenga ye senga yalina that self love teyali badde nalowooza nakyakwetta yali tegedde nti if she has gone Katonda yakikola nga tetulina beera fena I just have to move on with my life nenkola kinengenda maaso with my life self love awejjira kyovula self love eba yeetaagisa muntu.
Wow.
I'm Madina Kasha, the CEO of yourself. You guys, I want you to follow me up on my TikTok account, Facebook, Twitter, Google, everywhere. Thank you very much. I love you.
Thank you, Madina Kasha. This is MBC Africa on Focus Show with Easy Likes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Guys, share. I hope you had something best. The food of be yourself. And guys, don't forget self-love. Self-love, everybody. Self-love.
I think
love
you should
yourself
make it a song.
Before you love anyone else. Love you guys. See you next
Bye.
week.